The Hackers and Designers is a community of designers, artists, tinkerers, software developers, and we are all interested in contemporary technology. We open it up and we rumble in the box, and it's in a way to demystify technology. So we're here at Momentary Zine. It's a speech to zine station. What I really like about this idea that it's so fast, from zine to print. There's hardly any steps, just talk into a microphone, you say print, and the little receipt printer starts printing. This is the self-driving car piece. We have here the cheapest radio-controlled car. We have an Arduino here, a motor shield and some cables, and the line sensor, and that can make already the self-driving car. On the website we have the various steps, how to make it, what to do. We have a GitHub that has the software to put on the Arduinos, so you do try that at home. That's, I think, what we really like.